Let's make an egg burrito with baby greens, a flour tortilla, 2 eggs, some salt, and shredded cheese. To make the eggs, I oil the pan and set the stove on medium heat. Then I let it heat up for about 4 minutes. Next, I get the eggs and the salt ready. Once the pan is hot enough, I crack the eggs one at a time, throw the eggshells away right afterwards, and wash my hands to get any raw egg off of me. Next, I pour the salt and mix it. After the eggs are fully cooked, I set the pan on a part of the stove that isn't on, so the pan doesn't overheat, and I set the eggs aside in a bowl. Next, I get the tortilla out. I oil the bottom of the tortilla, re-oil the pan, and pot the tortilla on it for about 30 seconds. After that, I place the tortilla on a large plate with the unoiled side up and start to put the filling. First, I put the eggs, then the cheese, and finally the baby greens. Now I start to roll the burrito up. I have slight difficulty folding the ends of it and keeping the filling from moving, but it's fun to do. Once it's all bundled up, I place it on the pan to seal it. At this point, I can turn off the stove and wait for the burrito to be sealed. When it is, I take it off and wait for it to cool down. While I'm waiting for that to cool down, I like to pet my cat so he knows that I love him. Then I go and enjoy my delicious and nutritious burrito.